The 2015 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $5,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, four-wheel drive, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag, MP3 player, power windows, child safety locks, backup camera, CD player, fog lamps, power door locks. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.